Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you the easiest Notion guide. So the first thing to do is simply go to any web browser and type Notion. And then you have two options here, sign up or log in. If you have an existing account, click log in. If you haven't created an account yet, you have to click sign up. Now, what is Notion first? For content producers, whether you are a solopreneur or have a small team working on various projects, Notion is highly recommended. It offers a forever free plan with sufficient features to get going. The pages in Notion can be connected together or nested. The welcome screen, which appears after signing up, contains all the information you need to get going, including videos for creating your first page to do list. Okay, so the best thing about Notion pages is that you may arrange them as you wish at any time. Each block is a Notion object, allowing you to move them around the page to alter the layout. You can design a page as you like because Notion does not impose any limitation on its structure. It can be overwhelming to have a lot of information on one page. So, what I'm doing right now is I'm creating a new project for myself, or let's just say a personal reminder or something that can help me to not to forget about my routine or my to-do list, something like that. So you can choose different templates here. Okay, so let's just say you wanted to do something for your project or for your school or for your work. So we have here to-dos. And actually, we have other templates here. Okay, engineering, design, operations, sales. We have here for IT, for individuals. So feel free to choose any. This could be your guide. All you have to do is simply edit or remove and replace anything here. Let's just say, for example, you wanted to do a task for or project for your YouTube channel, something like that. So here's the thing, all you have to do is to type or put the task there, assign it to someone, set a due date, and then set priority. As simple as that. So this is what we call Notion guide because it will guide you on what you're going to do, what should be the best layout or template for that. Okay, the best tasking or you know it's everything here. So for me, for example, I'm going to do something for myself. So I chose templates for personal. So we have here choices. Let's just say I'm going to do this weekly to-do list. So of course you can see here there's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday already. But if you don't like this kind of thing, then you can simply delete it if you want, replace or type or do something that is fit for you or good for you. So, but of course, you shouldn't delete this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday because you're doing a weekly to do list. So for me, I have to type or do something. For example, for Monday, I'm going to attend team meeting at 9 a.m. Okay, so following up on pending emails, respond to urgent inquiries. Actually, I can edit this one. I can edit this and change the colors or change the fonts, bold, italic, something like that. I can even add links or comments and so on. Okay, I can even edit this one. For example, if I'm going to do this as number list or bullet form, something like that. Okay, so I can even change the headings if I want. So that's it. Now, if you want to delete this part here, you can delete, okay. Or if you want to copy from other person's weekly to-do list, you can also copy and paste it here. You can even add highlight. Okay, so this is the highlight for Monday, something like that. And yes, you can do this to your Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. All you have to do is to edit, add something, okay, and you can even add numbers to that, okay. You can be very specific with your time. So for Tuesday, here's my schedule, okay. Schedule and conduct a client meeting at 10 a.m. Wednesday, collaborate with the design team to finalize the marketing materials. Thursday, prepare and deliver a presentation for the management team. Friday, follow up with potential clients and schedule meetings for next week. And Saturday, we have take time off to relax and recharge. Actually, if your Saturday and Sunday is the same, you can just even copy this one and paste it to your Sunday. Okay, so that's how easy it is to use Notion, especially when you're doing a weekly to do task. Actually, you can delete this one and you can also make a monthly to do task or to do list. You just have to delete this one and change this to, of course, week one, week two, week three, something like that. But it's the same thing. You can just even follow the pattern, okay? And then, yeah, that's it. Okay, another thing is that we can proceed with the reading list. So as you can see here, I have listed the books that I wanted to read for this week or for this month or for this whole year. So you just have to type the name of the book here, or you can even type article, TV series, film, and academic journal. Everything is up to you. Okay, for status, let's just say not started or let's just done. Okay. So actually, you can just tap anything here. You can even add status if you want. Okay, author, you can just simply put the name of the author here. Okay, let's just say, for example, stock, which is just an example. Okay, so completed, it's up to you. You can just put the date here. Okay, and then for the link, you can simply copy the link or copy the site, oh yeah, the URL of that site and paste it here. Okay, so that's for our reading list. Now let's move on to journal. Yes, you can just simply, edit the name of the or the title of your journal here and then type anything you want. Okay, for example, Hawaii vacation. Let's just say, let's edit this to Bangkok vacation. And you can say, or you can type anything or whatever highlights, or let's just say what happened to Bangkok during your vacation. Okay, so that's it. Now for task, we have here to do, doing, done. You can even change the board view or change the layout or template of this. Okay, so for let's just say doing, you are currently doing a film. Okay, for done, let's just say let's go first for to do. Okay, so doing, it's your or what you're doing at this very moment. For to do, it's about or the thing or the project or that needs to be done. Okay, so for done, of course you're already done with that. So that means it's finished. Okay, for personal home, okay, for movie list, you can even add movie here. You can go to Netflix and look for movies that you want to watch, or you can go to some links and copy the URL or link of that site so that it can be easier for you to watch the movie because it's already here. Okay. So, yeah, for daily, for recipes, you can add some, recipes here. For example, you want to save the recipe or the chocolate chip cookies recipe. Okay, so you can add the ingredients here and you can even add link here, YouTube link or, site, any website. And then type the instruction or paste the instruction here so that whenever you want to uh, bake or cook something, you just have to go to your Notion and then search for your recipes. Then you can have your recipe list. So that's it. That's how amazing Notion is. Okay, so after we're done with the recipes, then we can proceed with let's just say, okay, quick note. So quick note, jot down some text, make a to-do list, create sub pages, something like that. Okay, you can create another one if you like. So that's it. That's how wonderful Notion is. And project management benefits greatly from the strength and useful of concept maps. You can columns for using Notion, you can add columns for the due date, status, priority level, and anything. else in addition to the task name and details and addition to your project, something like that. And people love to use Notion because it's easy to use, it's easy to understand, and everything is here. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.